All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the new Milwaukee right angle impact in M12. All right, so this is an impact, not a ratchet. It's one of these, not one of these. So I've only had it for a little bit, so this is only going to be a first impression video. It's not going to be a full review of it because I've only had it since Tuesday. It is a stubby right angle impact designed to kind of go between a ratchet and an impact. Now it's a lot stubbier than the stubby impact. And this is the 3/8 too. It's a whole bunch shorter, even with a mid-length 13 millimeter on it. But again, it's an impact, not a ratchet. So you hit, it pulls it loose. Power-wise, the question I've gotten on social media is caliper brackets. Unfortunately, everyone I've used it on, it has failed. And I can't complain about it because all 3 brake jobs I got, the caliper bolts were wicked tight. I had to use my long Matco ratchet and actually physically break it loose. That's how tight they were. So I haven't gotten a good test on it with an average caliper bracket. Unfortunately, like I said, everyone has been wicked tight. Like the 1/2-inch full-size Milwaukee probably would have broke them loose, but I just got a ratchet out to make sure I got them. So I have not been able to quantify how good it is on brake jobs. Definitely gets in there, plenty of clearance and all that, but it's definitely, I definitely don't know how much oomph it's gonna have for caliper bolts at this point. Where I think this thing's gonna really shine is doing a lot of underhood stuff. Like I used it the other day to replace tensioners on a Chevy truck, and boom, 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 done. Bolts in and out, quicker than snot. Happy as I can be. Now, application-wise, and in the past, I've used a stubby and it works fine too, but it's a different option, so I used it, trying out the tool, and it worked great. Battery life, I really don't know for sure because I haven't done enough work with it yet to determine that. It seems about on par with the regular stubby impacts. Now, a couple things. The switching mechanism is in the handle, and as per Milwaukee's recent tools, it's got a 3 power level adjustment, and then you've got a run it down feature, which runs it down till it's flush. Basically, once it hits resistance, it stops. So you're doing valve cover bolts, you want to run them down and then torque them with a torque wrench. It's got that option, as all of them do. Overall, I like it. Like I said, time will tell on brake jobs. I don't know yet. Again, they were wicked tight, so it wasn't a true test because they were wicked tight. Once I've got a little more time with this, I will definitely report back. Now, head-wise, comparing it to the ratchet, it's obviously much bigger, and that is an issue. Getting it in some places, it just doesn't fit. Because of the size of the head, there's places it just will not fit. You have to understand that. It's big. Is it a replacement for a ratchet? Probably not. It's probably better suited as an addition to a ratchet, or you're doing a different tool, but it definitely works as its intended purpose. So I hope you like this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.